So I have covered this with Mod Podge that I got from the recycling center also. So let me move this up so it's in front of the camera. These are soup cans, tomato soup cans, and then I have my cookie sheet to protect my my desk here. So I'm going to start out with my lavender here. I'm just going to pour it on. Just about half. Then I'll do my blue. About half there. And then white. And my lavender. Blue. Then my white. And it looks like maybe I could have put a little bit more, maybe I could have added some water or a little bit more painting medium to make it a little more flowy. So on some of the videos, they have a different pattern that they might do. They use different objects just to make it flow a little bit better, a little bit more creative. And another thing they mention is balancing before you actually get started so everything isn't flowing to one direction, which I did not do. But we're just gonna let this be our last blue. And I got these are shot cups from the Dollar Tree also. So, and then our white, and then our purple. So, and then we pick it up and let it kind of make its own pattern, flow from one side to another. And I forgot to put my gloves on. The first time I did this, I remember my gloves, but they're in my drawer right next to me. But we'll just see how this goes without it. I like this method because no two paintings are going to come out the same. So you get a unique painting each time. There we go. I'll just have to wash my hands when I get done. And some people, I notice they use painter's tape or duct tape around the edges so that the paint doesn't get on the back part of the board. But I didn't do that. That's okay. I'll probably end up painting the back of the board white. And I'll probably put some type of design on the front of here. But yeah, so I'm going to go wash my hands and I'm going to let this dry. And then I'll show you what the end result is. I'll probably put some glossy Mod Podge over it also to give it a little shine. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks.